ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in an unpretentious manner. ETH in a real sense faces obstruction at $1,364.37 in a for the most part large manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum by and large is drifting at $5,814,448,540, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The EMA essentially is at present at $1,421.10. Genuinely further appearance how ETH explicitly faces obstruction at $1,364.37 in a truly significant manner. The 30th of April 2023. In this video we'll walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for the following week and certainly attempt to answer these oftentimes truly clarified some pressing issues. What truly is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Ethereum, for the most part, is ETH an essentially wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum support and obstruction levels and so on. So ETH generally faces opposition at $1,364.37 in a truly significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging pretty profound into the ETH specialized investigation, in every practical sense, let us especially discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, which for the most part is very huge, market examination over the absolute last 24 hours. There especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,207,439,266,683, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. The fundamentally absolute exchanging volume generally remains at $29,197,739,992, showing how ETH truly faces obstruction at $1,364.37, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of significant manner, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, which truly is very huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value decline of 0.16%, coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time period. Kind of additional appearance how the truly all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $29,197,739,992, showing how ETH truly faces opposition at $1,364.37, which explicitly is very critical. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP by and large, is somewhere around 0.84 and right now exchanging at 48 cents, which really is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in Steam in an unobtrusive way. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market truly is going in a really descending bearing for commonly present moment, which basically is very critical. As of now, a most certainly broad sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time period. Further appearance how the in every way that really matters. Complete exchanging volume basically remains at $29,197,739,992, showing how ETH sort of countenances obstruction at $1,364.37 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing that market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $1,207,439,266,683 in a quite huge manner. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become commonly more certainly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally is very huge. Similarly, opposition basically is a level at which dealers essentially become truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which certainly is genuinely critical. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum. Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum for the most part is at $1,901.99, down 0.16% in the beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 2.75% throughout the week, showing how these occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a descending bearing for essentially transient in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC essentially is $5,814,448,504.00 US, while fundamentally complete market cap came to $228,992,802,792 USD in a genuinely significant manner. There essentially are very nearly 120,396,527 in a real sense are available for use out of 120,396,527, which generally shows that XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere near 0.84 and is of now exchanging at 48 cents, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum value examination. ETH cost examination for the 30th of April 2023 inside and in every practical sense. Day-to-day time span in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, exhibiting how following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum. Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum generally is at $1,901.99, down 0.16% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, and certainly has a value change of 2.75% throughout the week, showing how these occasions generally demonstrate that the market basically is going in an essentially descending course for commonly present moment. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. We utilize commonly relative strength index, moving truly normal union and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including pretty basic moving exceptionally normal and remarkable moving kind of normal to dissect the future development of the Ethereum, which for the most part shows that we utilize especially relative strength index, moving extremely normal combination and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving especially normal and outstanding moving certainly normal to examine the future development of the Ethereum, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The MACD line essentially is remaining above of the fundamentally signal line after a quite certain hybrid, showing that these occasions generally demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a by and large descending heading for kind of transient in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum financial backers need to essentially hang tight for any directional change over the genuinely everyday graph. So Ethereum value examination. ETH cost examination for the 30th of April 2023 inside an especially day-to-day time period really made sense of beneath, exhibiting how following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Ethereum. Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum explicitly is at $1,901.99, down 0.16% in the all things considered recent hours, and explicitly has a value change of 2.75% throughout the week, showing how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a genuinely descending heading for especially present moment, which for the most part is very critical. RSI inferring union stage while exchanging at 42 and in a real sense is attempting to fundamentally